What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are here in the garage. You see the new car there, the Model Y. It didn't take long for me to buy something for the car. I mean, I already got floor mats, but we are gonna change these wheel caps here. Now, I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't want to get new rims. I don't want to lower it. The reason why I got the car was strictly to have something bigger for the family and something that I knew I wasn't going to modify heavily. So I got something sent to me. So this was from Tesery. These are their Aerodisc caps, wheel caps. So we are gonna go ahead and put them on. I got the 19-inch Gemini version, which fits my Model Y. So I got the box here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So let's do that now. Check this out. They come packaged in the plastic. I'm hoping it's one by one. Yep. Ooh, look at that. Let's take it out of the plastic. So they come saran wrapped. They remind me of like the rotiforms, like the old school ones. I'm pretty sure that's what it's, just dropped it. I'm pretty sure that's what it's based off of. Ooh, so here it is. It's gonna go just like that. That's crazy, y'all. Just some force in it. Ooh. Oh, there you go. So you don't have to pull out the middle part. It comes off with the cap. Comes out like that. I thought you had to put a thing in there and take it out, but I guess not. This is the original. So check it out. On the back here, all of these you take off. One, they just pop right off. Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. It's there. Now you have all of it off, and there's like a little hole right here that you just punch off. This little plastic comes out of there, and that's where the that little thing goes where you put the air in for the tire. So line that up like that, and then just push. 2, 3, 4. Simple. And there, you still have access to pump the tire. Let me show you. Dang, that's a big difference. That really pops out now with the gray. Oh yeah. Again, I know I should lower this. There's a huge gap. I know I should lower it, but I am not. I will stick out like a sore thumb, and that's okay. All right, so there it is. You can see the hole, and right there you can pump your tires. So let me go ahead and do all 4 of these. All right, y'all, we are done. That literally took maybe 10 minutes at most. And check it out. We got one here, one right there. Whew. And then these 2 over here. Honestly, it's probably one of the easiest mods I've ever had to do. And it does look kind of funny because the ride height is pretty high. But who cares, man? We're just gonna own it. We're gonna go with it, and that's the plan I have. I'm not gonna lower it. I don't want to mess up with like the comfortability, any of that stuff. I really got this car for the family so we can fit all 4 of us comfortably. So again, these are the Aerodiscs from Tesery. I will link them below. Go check them out. They have different colors of these two. They have the 20-inch ones too for the different specs, different models. So you can check them out. They're not very expensive. I'm working on a discount code or a link or something like that. If I do have one, I will link it down below. Just check out their website. They got many different things. They got emblems, which I ordered as well, and they'll be coming in soon. The Aerodiscs, they have interior things, exterior things, lights, all that stuff. But yeah, I will catch you on the next one and update you on whatever else I am doing with the Model Y. I will see you on the next one. Peace.